We need to have a short little talk here about states that are asking you for registration of your business trust. There's a number of states. I'm here in California. We don't have any registration for a business trust. However, in other states, they're asking for it. So if you're looking to get set up in one of these states, one of the issues that has come up for a number of people have been asking us, well, how do we have this anonymous? How do we have a private business trust in one of these other states that requires registration? Well, here's something for you to consider. And that is, if you're actually running a business and maybe you have a business license, you've got a retail operation, you have customers, what have you, then yes, you're going to have to register a business trust or your business trust in that particular state in order to be in compliance. Now, here's the other part of it, is that we also ask the question, well, we need to register this business trust, but here's the question, when is it that you need to register it? This is really what's more important, and it certainly makes a difference for us and for our clients as well. So we have to ask the question, when is it that you need to have it registered? Well, the operative term here is doing business. So you have to look at what is the definition of doing business in a particular state in order to comply with this registration. And you can see a number of exemptions for doing business, and you can also see what is doing business, what is not. So for instance, if you don't have any customers in that particular state, you don't have any employees in that state, maybe you just want to have a bank account in that state. Well, that is not doing business in the state. So in that particular context, if you were to go get a bank account or something, and they say, well, we need to have registration because you're in our state and so on. Well, you're not doing business, so you're exempt. You don't need to have that registration. So in that particular situation, you could get that bank account set up for your business trust in a state that requires it without having it registered. So the point here is, when someone says you must do something, what we need to do is we need to look at the rules and see where is it you must comply and what are the exceptions. Sometimes the way the rules are written, they don't tell you what you can do, they tell you what you can't do. The reverse of that, of course, is the exemptions, and so we want to look at those as well. So for anybody that is looking to use a business trust in one of the states that you see or you hear, or someone's told you that it needs registration, you need to look at your business, what you're doing, what you're not doing, and then determine whether or not you need to register it. So one example would be if you just have an investment account, you're maybe buying and selling a couple of houses, or you've got a business you're buying and selling. You're not necessarily operating something. You're looking more for capital gains, for buy-sell transactions. That's not doing business. So, don't take my word for it. Go look this stuff up. Look up what the exemptions are. Go look up what is defined as doing business in your particular state. And that'll really help you determine a lot more about how you're going to handle it. And again, all this dials back into your bank account. And so look that up, and that'll help you as well. We'll do another video about bank accounts in the states that require registration. There's another whole segment to that. We'll keep you tuned into. Okay, that's all for now. James again, TrustArt. Okay, let us know if you got any questions. Check out our website if you'd like more information. All right, see ya.